I'm a man of peace, baby.
Oh, baby, I'm back! I am back! Let's get this show on the road!
The good doctor has revived the patient.
Thank you,
Sweet
thank
as my
you,
son,
thank
sweet.
you.
So everything's straight now?
No! Absolutely not! I'm still screwed! Absolutely screwed, but at least now I'm in the right frame of mind! What the fuck are we gonna do? Any minute now, some mafia bullet is going to splatter my brains all over the wall. My wall. My beautiful wall.
Ooh, you missed a bit. I love that.
Forget about it.
Oh, that's a great idea, Tony, but you know what? It ain't gonna work, okay? Not this time. No way, no way.
Look, man, relax. Get a grip.
Yeah, you're right. I need to get a grip.
Take control.
Yes! Grab the bull by the horn.
And show everybody who's boss.
I'm the boss. I am the boss.
All right, then.
All right. Let's tear this
That's
town
what
up.
I'm saying. So where we going?
Details! Details! Let's just get there.
Rack 'em up, Macca. What's the matter with you?
You just a bitch. Okay, boss man, where to?
We're gonna pay the Sindacos a visit, see how Johnny is, win him over with some kind words during his convalescence. I gotta get out of this game. Shit, my nose is pissing like a racehorse. That is really good stuff. Drive faster, would you please? Come on, come on, come on. What are you, an old lady?
So you trying to get out?
Yes, God, yes. I want to do something safe and legal and boring with people that like me. And have a wife and some kids and get divorced and fight for weekend access like everybody else.
Listen, I'll see what I can do.
Thanks, I'm just so tired of all this life and death bullshit. Ah, shit,
fuck
shit's
you
all
too.
down my damn shirt and everything. It's my best shirt, too. Doesn't this shirt look good on me?
Table's off, boy. You.
I know you didn't just hit my car!
Move it, will you? Come on. Oh dear, run out!
That's cool.
Watch where you're walking, moron. That thing was flying.
All right, fool.
Oh, my, how
I'm losing patience fast.
Look where you going.
Okay, let's get this over with. I'm the boss. I am the boss. I'm the boss. I am the boss. Yeah, yeah.
What's going on? Did you forget something?
No, look, you go on in. I'ma wait.
Look, you gotta come with me this once. If I pull this off, I can carry on. I know I can, but please, you gotta come with me. I'm gonna squirt my ass all over the floor. Just this once, please. Please, please.
Okay, okay, chill. Shit, this can't look good. Listen, everything gonna be okay. Just remember,
You the boss.
I'm the boss? I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I am the boss. Hey, boys. Tell your boss that Ken Rosenberg is here to see him.
Ken who?
Ken Rosenberg. Ken Rosenberg, the guy that runs this town. So, how's Johnny?
He's doing much better. Yeah. He ate something this morning.
Oh.
Hey, Ken. Oh, my Christ, this fucking thing. Ken, como esta? How you doing?
Pretty good. And you?
I still got a little bit of the night terrors, touch of diarrhea, but I'll get through it.
Huh, diarrhea. Cool.
And
yeah.
who's this?
How you doing, Johnny?
It's fucking him. It's him. Oh my head. Oh God, it's him. Oh, my heart. My heart.
Damn, that nigga fucked up. Shit! They started a fire to keep us back. There must be an extinguisher here somewhere. Find it.
Carl, leave no witnesses or we're dead
I
meat.
just had a pound.
Got the extinguisher. I got the extinguisher. Take those guys out and I'll put out the flames. Hey, CJ, wait for me. Wait.
What?
Screw this. I'm gonna hide in the freezer.
I take that paper. Welcome to America.
Who do you think you are? I'm gonna pop your fucking eyeballs. Get out of the way.
This is so exciting, Tommy. It's like old times.
Who the fuck is Tommy? It's like
Holy fuck, what is it about my luck?
okay, it's clear.
We gotta do something.
You wanna get blasted, fool?
Well done, CJ. Shit, this is insane! The exit's through the stockhouse.
You should run away. Can I have this?
Shit, we gotta get the fuck out of here. We need some wheels. Get me back to Caligula's.
You calm down and follow my lead.
Holy fuck, man. We work well as a team together, huh, CJ? You and me tearing this town up? Nobody can stop us. Nobody in the world.
Johnny's a done deal, and so is his gang.
Too fucking right they are, dumb pussies. Oh, fuck, I'm screwed. I'm fucking screwed. What the fuck am I gonna do? Shit!
You just gotta hang in there. Play it dumb. I'll figure out a way to get you out of this.
Just drop me at the airport.
Nah, man. They gotta think you dead. I'll think of something, I promise.
17.
10 to a 1081 in Rockfordshire at the airport. back on that scene and squad 2.
You broke my mirror!
Yeah. I need backup.
Stop grabbing me!
I've been looking forward to this.
Very dignified, I'm sure.
Get in there and be cool, like you just been out for a relaxing drive or something.
Calm. Yeah, calm. I'm calm. Real fucking calm. I'm calm, Mr. Calm, Mr. Calm. That's me, Mr. Calm.
Shit, fuck, bastard head. My ass is stinking.
You okay? I hope not. Hey,
Tiny bald idiota!
Catalina. Hey, I know it's you. What's eating you, baby?
I don't love you no more!
Well, hey, let's just... Hello?